Iran's use of the Chinese Beidou 3 navigation system is breaching Israel's air defense. More specifically, the 12-day war in June 2025 was a critical moment that revealed the fatal vulnerability of systems relying on global positioning system in Western electronic warfare. However, Israeli jammers can no longer easily deceive Iranian drones by giving them false coordinates. Because now Iran uses the Beidou 3 navigation system from China, this system helps in targeting with great effectiveness. Let's see how it does that. First, because of enhanced signal resilience. Unlike the civilian-level global positioning system signals that Iran used in 1925, the signal from China's Beidou 3 is military-grade and not easily jammed. It uses complex frequency hopping and navigation message authentication, which prevents spoofing. So, Israeli jammers can no longer easily fool the drones by giving them false coordinates. The Beidou 3 hardware simply rejects the interference, maintaining a high target acquisition success rate. Secondly, Beidou 3 demonstrates surgical precision by providing a triple frequency architecture as standard. This allows Iranian missiles and drones to eliminate ionospheric errors in real time, achieving a circular error probability of about 5 meters. This transforms Iranian area saturation tactics into surgical strike capabilities against hardened Israeli command nodes. Perhaps the most disruptive feature, of course, is the short message communication. Beidou 3 is not just a beacon, it's a two-way tactical data link with a range of 2,000 kilometers. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new video. Don't forget to leave us comments with your opinion.